of the principles of having a strong, healthy, inspiring relationship is controlling your finances to give you that long-term sustainability. So tell us a bit about Wealthy Nation, where, what that is, how that helps people, how people can join and get involved. Do you want to explain a bit about that, please?
Sure. Well, a few years ago, I remember that many people, because they asked me a lot of questions on the same subject, and I was just actually very bored of repeating myself. So that's why I came to this realization, okay, this question just happens all the time, so I might as well write a book about it. So that's why my first book came along a few years ago, and it's on Amazon. It's called How to Save Money When There Is No Money to Save. Because honestly, if every time somebody asked me that question, I would have kept $1. I would have made another passive income from there. I just found myself that just been doing that without even intention. That's why sometimes the goal is actually comes and takes us rather than us. I never had that thing that I have to write a book, I have to do this, but it just came along, just being aware of what people need. And that's why I totally believe in what that Seth Godin said, that I don't look for customers for my products. I find products for my customers. And I'm in that frame of mind that I always try to find what is it out there that can serve my people rather than just going and chasing customers. And then, and of course, the book went there. And then after that, other things came along. I said, okay, fine. I'm going to create online courses. So then people can go there, and whatever the questions they have or they want me to explain to them, they can go there and watch it. So then I don't have to repeat myself. So that came along. And then now in the last couple of years, because of COVID, everything went online. And I found out, oh, wow, I've got more clients now internationally. Before it was more just in Australia wide, but now I have clients from other countries. So, which is great. But then, okay, that's the way that they can do. So Wealthy Nation is all about now having people to have free access to all my online courses, which was previously everybody had to buy them to have access, even though I had a couple of them for free, just as my way of giving back to community. But then they have now free access to those courses. Plus, they can see me every week on Wednesday night, 6:30 p.m. Perth time. I'll be online for about 1.5 or 2 hours, and they can ask their financial questions there. So, and every week I'll just talk about a certain topic, and we'll just explore it and stuff. But it's just because there are not that many questions. If the question comes in, it's just going to be absolutely Q&A. And they have full access to me live every week. That's my commitment. And they have full access to all the courses. And most important, they have a community of people similar to them around them. Because I'm creating a community of people who are in the same money vibration, that they want to do something great for the world, not just to make money and become a millionaire and that's it. So yes, this is how people can, become a member and join. And it's just going to cost them only $100 a month. But then if they like to be for a full year, so they can pay $1,000 upfront, and that will be for the full year. And so that's how we are creating that. And that's why even people who are from other countries, they are logging in and they are just there. And every week we record the sessions, which will be available within the Wealthy Nation membership for people who like to, or in case they missed it or for whatever reason they want to watch it again, they can have access to that too.
So is the communities that you create, is there a minimum level that of financial knowledge that a person needs to be, or do you cover from the very beginning right up to the high level?
That's a great question. Yes, there is no minimum or up there because obviously people are different. But my aim is, look, if for an 18-year-old to join there, probably not, because they don't have that much money situation to be aware of it. But of course, still they can join in, or if let's say a parent join in, their kids can make use of their online courses. Like actually one of my clients is this family, they've got their own restaurant, but now their daughters who are in uni, sometimes they are joining because they want to ask the tax questions or something related to them. So it can be done for everyone. But of course, for people who are, let's say more than $5 million plus, we have different programs that I can help them, because I'm sure in those cases it will be more one-to-one rather than within the group session questions.